Hi there! Today we're gonna make aardetje cake. You need 200 grams of sugar, 250 grams of butter or margarine, 50 grams cacao, 2 eggs, and 200 grams of Maria biscuits. Start out with melting the butter on low fire. Add the sugar and the eggs in a mixing bowl and mix this till it's a nice smooth substance. Then add the cacao. Last but not least, add the melted butter. Put the biscuits in a bowl and crush them. Add the biscuits to the mixture and stir till all is mixed well. Pour the mixture into a loaf pan. Put it in the fridge and leave it there overnight. The next day you can take it out and enjoy! For keeping the cake at its best, store it in the fridge. Thanks for watching!